Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and it's very hard to clap when you've got something in your hand. Nerve flossing videos I've been posting recently, everyone seems to be enjoying. It's a really cool thing to look into. Fascinating stuff, all about different nerves and stuff like that there, and there's loads of different techniques you can do. If you can't be bothered looking into that sort of stuff, use your shoulder dislocate, use a band for your shoulder dislocate, and just go around. So you all should know this one by now, and then what I want you to do is just turn your head all the way to one side as you do it, and then turn your way all the way to the other side as you do it, and then tuck your chin as much as you can as you do it, and look up as much as you can as you do it. And then as you can start to get fancier with it, you can start to go up and down with your head while going side to side. Obviously practice these all separately, but every different point that you put your shoulders into with your neck at a different point, even try turning up to one side and pausing, will hit a little bit of those nerves and stuff like that there, and help with any sort of issues that you may have shoulder or neck wise and stuff like that. So it's a great thing to play around with. It's something I play with every day. I wouldn't even use the band. I would just go out and just do big shoulder circles and tilt the head down and bend the elbow at different points, turn away and stuff like that there. So they all have individual names and individual techniques and stuff like that there, which, like I said, are very interesting. But just playing around in the position for 5-10 minutes, your neck will feel amazing for it. So give it a go. Let me know what you think.